prep the metal to be bonded to get to the press.
And here's a lot of them go onto metals, so they're metal components. So we have to test to make sure we're using the right adhesives, we're using the right type of metal on there. So we do all of that testing to make sure that we are meeting all of the customer demands and filling all their needs. New one, we call it a characterization, where we will take the new series and run it on every test we can think of. Any standardized test of tensils, test kind of the dynamic properties. We have a machine that will fatigue test it, where it basically beats it up and sees how long it will run. And we would call that a characterization. And then we also do work where the plants will send us samples, and we will qualify them. We make sure that they are still meeting the standards that we have already certified them to in the characterization. Well, I know that the group that we share our lab with, the adhesives technology group, is working on some new elastomers and some new adhesives that are going to be going into Fitbits or Apple Watches or things like that, where you want something that's going to have some pretty good flex, because you're going to be putting it on your arm every day. It's going to be getting wet. It's going to have, environmental exposure. So these are all things that we're working on developing now.
Thank you for your time. That was the last question.
Thank you.
We don't actually make anything in the engineering test lab. Our job is to qualify the parts for use out in the field. So we're usually like the last or second to last step